So these three people, na couple. They are not old though. They are not elderly. They are young people. All right. So we get to find out more about their unique relationship. I find it very interesting. You meet Chidima first before Precious.
Yes. Three of us, 8 years. Me and Chidima, 9 years.
So okay, you plan them like this.
No, not at all.
Chidima, did you plan it like this?
No, no, not at all.
Precious, did you plan it like this too?
No, it just happened to us.
It just happened. So
Yeah.
at what point did you people decide to come together?
Mhm.
Well,
This is who now,
Jeff.
Chidima.
Yes, this is
Okay.
Chidima.
Okay.
Yeah, so Jeffrey told me during the first year of our relationship that, he wants to see other people, and I was open to it.
Okay.
And then one day he went to buy me ice cream and he met Precious.
Okay.
And he came back home that day and said, "Ah, Chidima, I met one girl who, her name is Precious. I want to explore something with her." I was like, "Okay, cool."
Okay.
We traveled after that time, but we came back like 2 years later, and I met Precious. The first day I met her, I was like, "Ah, I really like this girl." Ah, yeah, so we all started vibing,
Mm.
and we are here today.
Wow. And they live under the same roof.
Yes.
Yes.
8 years together. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So una they married or una just the dates?
We're legally married to Chidima.
Precious
Yeah.
day on the way. A certificate day on the way.
Yes.
Okay. At some point now go born children.
We're open
We are
to
open to
it.
it. We are open to it. Never say never.
Yeah.
Yes. For now, we are still enjoying.
Okay. So is this is this polygamy?
You can call it that. You can call it polygamy.
Jealousy they enter.
Yes. So it's very natural. It's a natural feeling.
Okay. So what makes Precious jealous?
It's the same, basically the same thing. When like so they are
Attention, no,
talking
there's
and
no
laughing
attention for your
and
side.
yes, it's like me too, I want to join the conversation now.
So, and your parents are aware of your relationship and they're cool with it,
Aware, not
Yeah, aware.
cool.
but they are not cool.
Yeah. We live in Nigeria. Nigerian standard of things are way, way harder.
That's another. That I'm even coming to that. Like, how una take the cope living in Nigeria and practicing this kind of relationship?
Nigerians are not used to,
We are not used to trouble.
yeah, and they're not used to you going out of the box of what they expect you to be. So it's definitely going to be.
The backlash is the one that they collect. Which one?
But I think we are so immune to a lot of things that we find it funny. We find some of the comments come funny.
Yeah, because some people say, "Una neighbors number one, when they live with." How? Because we have to start with your neighbors. We don't deal with your neighbors. How are you coping with your neighbors?
So we are living in a very private place, so they don't get to interact with us as much.
Okay.
But friends, family, social media people, yes.
So how do you people handle that? Like, waiting with the worst one. Yeah, anyone don't ever get under on her skin before?
I don't think so. Maybe I think the only thing that like really got was like comments about like my weight and
Okay, that's for who now? Chidima or Precious?
Precious.
Oh, what about your weight? Your weight is okay now.
Like you can't tell Nigerians that now.
Why?
As far as they say thick woman, they think you're very unhealthy. So
oh wow, you have a roster. Like, how do you share your bedroom?
vibes. Wait.
vibes. We sleep anywhere we want to.
So we have a 4 bedroom house. So
Okay.
if I have my room, Jeff has his room, Precious has her room. If we decide that we all want to sleep on, we have a large bed too.
Okay.
So we cannot sleep on the large bed, or sometimes every one person goes, or everybody sleeps apart sometimes. So it depends. But we mostly like to just sleep on the same bed.
Because it's supposed to be, oh, no, they do turn by turn. It's Chidima's turn today, then it's Precious' turn tomorrow.
No.
It's all vibes.
Sometimes it appears like, oh, you slept on this side last night. Let me sleep on this side. Especially when we're all sleeping on the same bed.
Okay. You slept
Yeah,
on the
but
left side.
most times,
Uh-huh.
yeah, it's vibes. It's not rigid.
Yeah, how it comes.
Mm.
Why do I feel like Jeffrey, now you dey enjoy pass for this relationship?
Of course.
Why do I have a feeling say that you collect the enjoyment pass?
Yeah, yes. To.
Oh, he has to. So you are spoiling him like hell. Hello, good morning to you. Good morning.
Antuzodudova.
Yes, so good morning.
I'm blushing.
You're blushing.
Antuzo, to be honest with you, our couple, I greet you now. This is my Grandi Birigbe as Benue woman.
Okay.
Antuzo,
Yeah.
this are great, but when I did like this, they talk to you. One family, they are 3 women. They are living the same house, cooking in the same pot. They are eating the same place. I'm telling you, Antuzo, I love this family. One of them, the first wife, is my church member. Their husband, they will just sitting down in the front of them. You will see this one just they pinch the husband. One go cut they rub the head. One go rub the body. Oh, and two, one go cut the fingernail. And two, oh Jesus.
So be man, they hungry you now, Abby.
Like this.
So be man, don't they hungry you?
Oh my God! This is the pure life. I'm telling you, before God and mine, I'm telling you, to be honest with you, with all my heart, I love it.
Okay.
I love it. Antuzo. This family, 3 women in the house, their husband will sit down in the 3 of them. One will rub the husband head, one go just rub the belly, another one go just cut the fingernail, we put in leg inside water. And Tuzo.
Minister of
One
Enjoyment.
sometimes he go see the man go put one leg for one person body, he go put another one for another person body. And Tuzo, very lovely family. I pray for na couple. This love, oh Jesus. I'm jealous.
You're jealous.
God bless you.
Amen.
I love you.
Someone is jealous. Somebody is jealous of you people's love. Oh.
Well done. Precious and Chidema.
Yeah.
God will bless you now.
Amen.
For bringing the matter on radio for people to learn.
Yeah.
Yes. See, this kind of thing is there, but people know they get mind.
Yeah.
They bring them publicly.
Yeah.
See, I get only one question for them.
Okay.
Jeffrey, I dey call you.
He can't hear you, but I will tell her what you talk.
Okay. Help me ask and say, 2 of them, maybe one have like 6 past the other. One must like 6 past the other. I take cope. That one now one question.
Okay.
Another one be say, make the day as the guy that minded because when picking they come. Level will change to God forbid, but make the guy themselves when picking they come. I know women with picking them.
Okay.
Make the guy themselves. I ask them say how do they take one go like 6 past the other. How they take the manager.
They cope. Okay.
Before I wake up, and I don't do 2 times. Can't do my own.
Okay. Thank you.
I go. You don't get nose. I was enough.
You go sniff where.
I ask them.
All right. So Jeff, Mr. Emmanuel Zubi has a question for you. First, he loves your relationship. with Chidima and Precious.
All right.
Yeah, but he's saying that it's possible that one is that Chidima or Precious would like sex more. That who amongst
Mhm.
both of them prefer like sex more, and how do you handle it when one has a larger appetite than the other person?
Well, I always try to keep a balance because me myself, I'm not a machine. So I think I have understanding women that are not selfish,
Mm,
that know I have a lot of things to do as well,
yeah.
besides just performing. So that love and understanding and balance keep us going, and we always, find time out to always put in that.
Okay.
And I would like to say both of them have the appetite, no one more than the other.
They have equal appetites.
Yeah, they are both those kinds.
So someone says, hello, Auntie Zo, that man where they with two women, they enjoy pass us for this Africa. Oh." I want to ask, what is the two women family reaction when them discover say them they like that with a single man, especially their parents? Question for the man:
Mhm.
how do you resolve issues if both of them are quarreling? Abi them know they get misunderstanding. How una they share responsibilities in the relationship, like house chores and financial responsibilities? Amid, yeah. So
Okay. So for resolving conflicts,
yeah.
sometimes I can be an intermediary and sometimes I just observe them, go through it and have a healthy conversation with each other.
Okay.
And I try to be in the middle sometimes, and I'm always a very, very just and fair person. I don't pick sides. I always tell it as it is. If I feel like this person's wrong, I try to show this other person what this person is saying. And if I feel the other person is wrong, I try to show both of them points that the other person might be trying to make from a very fair and just place. And then while doing that, sometimes I just step back and allow them, resolve it. And they usually do.
Okay. All right. And is okay. Another question: how una they take share responsibilities for the relationship, house like household chores and financial responsibilities?
Very cool.
We, for household chores, Chidima and Precious handles most of it, but we do have employed people who take care of the cleaning on occasional days every week.
Okay.
But for cooking, sometimes Precious does it, sometimes Chidima does it. They do it at will.
Okay.
Yeah, without feeling too much pressure. They both do it because they love to help each other and also don't like to stress one another. So they're always very considerate of who does what at certain time. And between both of them, they usually communicate because it's both their responsibilities to take care of the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Financial responsibilities.
So we, it's mostly me, doing most of the work in finances, putting things together. And Chidima also works with me as well. And Precious also brings in income from being an influencer. So we economically are putting in all our weight towards bringing in finances into the home. I'm always a traditional person who believes to provide for the women I have in my life, but I've also been a person who believes that women should have the chance that men have in society. So I'm always up for their advancement and development, so as that they are not just laying around and having marriage as a shield. So they are always advancing themselves and having ways that they can provide for themselves, that they are equipped without marriage itself. But at my core, I'm still a very traditional man who's has the sole financial responsibility of taking care of the home.
How do you intend to handle children? Because some people get this belief say when children enter, this say no go they sweet as they sweet like this. So
Hmm.
So because of how one we are one. Three of us are one. There's no separate entity or like there's separate. So Chidima's baby is still my baby. My baby is still Chidima's baby. So with whatever comes, we are ready and prepared for it because we are so united.
hmm. What religion do you people practice, if I may ask?
All born Christian, grew up Christian. I know the Bible inside
Are
out,
you
but
practicing Christianity?
I'm not practicing as much anymore. I'd say I'm deeply spiritual,
Mm.
no
Yeah,
longer a
because
We
Christian.
are more spiritual.
I ask because I the one that if now they go church or if now they go mosque, how how they take relates with you people in such setting. If they accept you people,
We still go to church. We're not frequent every Sunday, but we don't have a problem being in the church.
no, you may not you now, like the your
Mm.
church members knowing that you people are a couple.
Mm.
So
What kind of what kind of reception that they get from them?
um, people will just we. It's a big church, so people are just most likely going to just look at you. Nothing more than that.
So do you people do PDAs? Do you do public display of affection?
When we're in our house, we do, yes.
No,
And
when
yeah,
you're
when we're
outside.
outside,
Yes.
yeah, we do.
We do actually. We do. We do actually.
Yeah, so
People look at us.
people always stare at us. Before we even got on social media, people always stare at us when we're out together.
So I'm
Restaurant.
wondering, yeah, I'm wondering.
Restaurant.
So what are they do now? PDA, they go, they look and say,
What's going on?
Yeah, I just hear moi.
Do they make love together as threesome or one after the other? I've been meaning to ask this question, but I say I don't want to be the one to ask the question.
That question.
No
we'll,
comment.
We'll leave it to people's imagination.
Just imagine.
Okay, you're not going. I don't stylishly ask whether I get to roster. Who they do 1 week on, 1 week off, 3 days on,
No,
3 days
no
off.
roster. It's vibes.
I can imagine vibes
As
are
it
vibes
comes.
as it
As it
comes.
comes. Yeah.
Okay, so but you guys are not allowed to date any other person aside the three of you.
No dating.
No dating.
Yeah.
You guys stuck. So this is not like open relationship where you are, allowed
No.
to go out. Okay.
No, it's not open.
So is there room for extra man or extra woman?
Okay.
For women, we are open. No man, please.
Okay.
We have enough. One in a million here. We are open to having another woman. If it's aligned.
Oh, okay. You don't mind to have another woman again? That's
No, not at all. We don't mind.
It's not like we never say
We never say never. Yes.
Feel.
Oh God, Jeff, say now you day on top this enjoyment. You can never say never. You see this? We never say never, and you can never say never. Now you are there for the peak of this enjoyment. Oh wow! So you people are open to more women. That's nice. Okay.
Yeah.
It's the women's idea, not me.
It's not. All right. Somebody says, I am pleased with the traditional man's answer. He gets wisdom. Now, man with wisdom fit marry more than a wife. It's beyond financial and physical strength. Auntie
Yes.
Uzo,
Exactly.
na him be the real dogu. All these young girls, maybe Gen Zs, no fit grief for their boyfriends to date another woman with them. These people are Gen Zs, so point of correction. I mean, I don't tell
Yes,
now.
so
I tell you that when I dey open this, they say they are not elderly people. Oh, even
Mm.
if you cannot see them from the sound of their voice, you go don't know.
you
Say
should
these
follow us
people
on
are not.
Instagram.
These people are not young. They are not old people. Oh, so don't mix them up. Say whether na people wey life tire. Now it can be people. Some people can feel like life don't tire them. They don't collect bass booze. They say maybe they
Yeah.
just can't chill. Like when you don't have option anymore. You
Yeah.
say make
Yeah.
I just can't chill. Now this one they feel offer me. Make I just
Mm.
collect. Like you're settling. This is not a case of
Yeah.
settling.
No,
No.
we didn't
This is
settle.
not a case of
True.
True.
choice.
Yes.
Sure.
Not choice be this. No be say then settle because they no see where to go. They no see who
Mm.
to love them. Then choose today. Yeah, they are Gen Zs. They are not. Morning.
Uche Ododova.
Uzo.
Is me, Abunchuku Benedict, aka Nwanobi.
Abumchuku, my name now Uzo.
Uzo, sorry, Uzo, I'm sorry.
Just flew.
Bro, I greet you.
A
I
professional.
greet you. You be man, my fellow traditional man. But I beg, that two wives don't do okay. I beg. Oh.
Now you go
You
tell
are a
them
real
waiting.
man.
Now you go tell them waiting they go do for their house. See
Bro,
problem.
you be man, you be man, you be man, you be man. You hold your side. I beg, waiting the one or two advice what I will give you now. See, beware of people outside. Don't ever, whatever you communication matters a lot between both of you. I just short, bros, I dey beef you, I swear down. You know they.
And I don't see couple will be like una because definitely you people should have like a community here in Nigeria.
No,
No.
we've only seen that online abroad.
So like you people not only una feel identify for Nigeria so far. The past
Yeah, so far.
8 years you've been together.
Yeah, no one.
Even as na open na social media handle, nobody don't slide into na DM to say, oh, I feel to relate. I also have such
Oh yeah, we
relationship.
had.
Yeah, social media has been just a few weeks, so just a few messages identifying, but we didn't connect. We didn't respond to them.
Why? Una dey fear?
And no, we didn't think it was worth responding to. We didn't think we wanted to respond to the person.
It's the community now, like
Oh.
they feel identify just like I fit identify with you. Okay, I also have such relationship. Una fit,
Mm-hmm.
but una dey
Yeah, we responded to one. We responded to one lady that said they broke up.
Yeah.
She got jealous and they broke up.
Just in the comment section, yeah.
So we gave her love.
Mhm.
Okay, but so far,
Yeah.
like that's just one person we
Yeah.
we don't reach out. Okay, since your social
Yeah.
media is actually still young, maybe
Yes.
sometime they will reach out sometime in future. He wants to know your sexuality. Are you
We
bi?
said before that me and Chidima have an emotional connection.
Okay.
It's purely emotional.
Okay.
Yeah, and we haven't met. We didn't meet prior to Jeffrey. Like Jeffrey was the connection between me and Chidima.
Yeah.
And open to other ladies as third wife.
I
Okay.
think we all like the presence of women around us as friends. They're not insecure because I feel like they're really secure in who I am as a person.
Mm.
So they love. I think for Chidima, being the first person I was with. She's very secure, and I noticed she's so secure that she enjoys the company of other women. She's like a girl's girl. I think that's what I've noticed. So other women are very comfortable around her, and she's comfortable around other women, and she's not threatened by them. Like she loves being in the presence of beautiful women, but it's not out of a sexual place.
Okay.
Yeah. So when she met Precious, when I first brought, she liked the energy of the person. It's not about sexual. Yeah, so that's what how you describe both of them right now, and that's what makes them open. It's not about the idea of sexual being lesbian. It's not about that.
So now they look forward to it. Is this about inspiring people to build a kind of relationship?
Yeah, we're trying to show them what's possible.
Okay.
It's that it's possible to live in harmony. There's so much bad media about polygamy or like multiple marriages like this. So we're trying to show them what's possible, how people can be together and there's peace, there's harmony, and even we've been together longer than some monogamous
Yeah.
relationships.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's emotional intelligence, vulnerability. We are trying to share. It can also help monogamous, people. It's not just for people that want to that want to be in a trouble.
They go see there as open minded as our parents go also there because now when they collect bass booze from them to once. I know say some of them don't chop
Yes.
blocking. They don't chop blocking, Abby. Some people don't chop blocking.
Really, really, no.
A lot.
They
It's
don't.
8 years already. The
They don't.
pressure has happened.
That's past.
But how were you able to convince them, Chidima, that this is what you want for yourself? Because now you be the first person we day with Jeffrey, where Jeffrey marry. So now that Jeffrey they know as with you as their son-in-law
Yes.
and you too as daughter-in-law. All of a sudden, Precious show face.
Yeah, I think they are still delulu. They've not fully accepted it in their own minds,
Mm.
but they've also known that Chidima is a black sheep. That choice is different. So they are used to it by now.
You're not an only child, are you?
No, I'm not an only child, so it's good. I have nephews, so you can use that one to hold your body. I'm happy.
And none of them come from polygamous home.
No.
Mm.
I do.
Oh, you, Jeffrey, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so Abi, you go talk saying Wetin inspired this your relationship.
I didn't grow up in that kind of home at all, but I know I came from there. I was raised in monogamous home.
Okay, you were raised in a monogamous home, but you come from a
Yeah,
polygamous
but
home.
born into born into polygamous.
Mm.
But I didn't see it growing up. So,
Okay. Some people go down
yeah.
they question their babes now, whether babe alpha. Arrange your best friend. Come on.
It's more of the man's behavior.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Alright.
more of his ability to put this together.
Together. Yeah.
Yes. No, it's not about the baby. If you can handle it, if you have the mental intelligence, and you can be fair, because when I'm not there, I'm sure that they will never say anything behind my back. So that's first. So if you are a man and you don't have good character and I say, oh, I just want to marry you too, you might not be able to handle it.
Mm.
Mm.
So there's no room of plotting of evil graph.
Yeah.
There's vulnerability. There's no thoughts that crosses our minds that we don't share with each other. Even the one that you would be ashamed of, or whatever the feeling, we share it. So we hold nothing back.
Mm. Wow. So, eh, more Nigerians go embrace this thing the way I'm looking at it.
No, they would.
But some people they practice them on a low key. But
Yes.
they practice them before now on a low key. But because I
Yeah.
remember, although those days now condition kind of some women the olden days they go talk say if their husband don't they if them don't they old they will go marry wife
Mm,
for their husband,
mm,
especially in the
mm,
east. I don't know about
yeah.
other tribe, but in the east,
Mm.
they very common when they feel like their husband don't they them the women don't they old, they will go marry wife come
Mm,
a younger person for
Yes.
their to keep the bed
mm,
to warm the bed, or when they don't fit
mm,
birth a child, they will go find a
mm,
younger person where they feel say they fertile to birth now then they even marry the wife by themselves with their own money. They pay, now then they pay the bride price. So the lady they refer to them as as her husband. So
Mm.
Iboland.
yes,
Yes.
yes, in Igbo land. So the lady,
Chidima told us the story
okay, she
like
did,
that.
yeah. So she refers, I'm Igbo too. So she refers to the lady as her husband.
Her husband.
Mm,
Yes. So that one are maybe condition circumstances, but you people is just
mm,
like you're young, not like you're old, not like something happened to anybody. People just choose to live this
mm.
way. I pray that
Yeah.
the peace, love, and harmony where they between will continue to be with you people, and will continue to set example, better one for people we won't follow on our path. Alright.
Mm,
So waiting me if like one final words what I get, I'll take from Jeffrey, Precious, and Chidima.
okay. For me, is it's not something that we looked for. It's something I didn't grow up ever thinking of this possibility. I was just like everyone else, thinking it's gonna be one wife. This happened to us. So I would want people to know that it's not something you go looking for. So,
Mm,
but if it ever comes to you that you feel aligned with this and it's something that you feel like is meant for you, you do it and don't allow society to hold you back. What people will say.
okay.
Mm.
Chidima.
Okay, this one is for the ladies. Certain way they've told us, love should be. There's a performative style of love or the one that they put on the TV for us to follow. As a human being, it's your choice. Your emotions are your choice. The things you do with the emotions are your choice. So be open so that you can live life to the fullest and you can enjoy your entire 100 years or however long you decide to live on this planet. And don't let fear hold you back because fear steals a lot from us as human beings. And be secure in yourself, be secure in whatever choice you decide to make. Yeah.
Okay. Someone say,
Um,
okay, Precious. Mm,
for me, I think they said it all, and the only thing I can say is love is the highest form of anything we are doing on this earth. And for whoever wants to start this or get into it, should know that love has to be at the center, no matter what, or no matter what other people say. You always have to be grounded in love.
mm.
Yeah.
Thank you. Someone says we'll be glad to have you people again when you start having children, please. Okay, I'll go there on the lookout for them when they start making babies. I'll be the first to bring them there. Bring them. Fine. When they carry the belly self, I go carry them come. Imagine both of them being pregnant at the same time.
Ah.
Thank you
God.
so very much for coming, Jeffrey and Chidima and Precious. We are grateful.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Our
Yeah.
pleasure.
All right. Do well to follow them on their social media handle for Instagram at feral_Throuple, FERAL_THROUPLE. All right. You get to meet these wonderful people. God bless on our home and bless on our union. Thank
Amen.
you. So we'll talk
Thank
later.
you.
All right.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Take care.
Yeah.
Bye.
Now, bye, Gary.
Bye.
Bye. Ra, good morning. I don't say this type of relationship you good like.
What happened the fight?
No.
It's sweet.
So we get young couple.
Oh.
So the man, he marry the wife, the first wife.
First wife.
First wife. They are young, very young people. So he can come out one day. He can see one chikala. He can tell him wife for us. I see this babe.
I did Nigerians.
Living
For
in
this
Lagos.
Okay.
So I see this babe.
Hey God.
See this babe, and I like her. So, first wife can say, hey, you like him? We see him now. We see the babe. So he can hook them up. She too can vibe with the babe.
True. The first wife.
The first wife can vibe with babe. Go say, Anna, bring her home now.
Wow.
Like they can start. So the first one, and even two of them don't say room still there for
a third one.
Third babe.
Ogbu.
I say na ratata kind.
God. On a serious note,
Union
wait now. You get the babe, you get the woman link. You have a link, a phone number. Wait now, talk now. Why they laugh? You get a phone number. I want to bet that for my women conference. I serious, let me joke.
You can tell them about.
No. Okay, let me tell you the truth. For the gathering, we have our women conference coming up in March.
Okay.
First week, right? And I plan to invite Mrs. Akpata.
Okay.
Mrs. Akpata has, in fact, now 3 wives they be.
Yeah.
She tell me back then, say she's the first wife, Mrs. Gladys Akpata. He say when the husband come say, I want to marry say second wife. He say let's go. So he followed the husband and go marry Nini Mama.
Come.
Now Nini Ola Mama be second wife. The man come again say you don't want, you want to marry a third wife. He say she called Nini Mama say mo follow and go. They come follow and go marry Nini Mama. Come the ass. And this is over 30 years the man died. They're still staying in the same house. So I said that we bring her up. Let her come and talk to the women. Let's ask her questions. So I need this kind of person. I'm serious.
And she's young.
I'm serious, please.
Maybe Akpata was she elderly.
Yeah,
This
of
one
course, yes. You see?
they are young people.
See, Mr. Akpata now is
3 of them.
78.
These people are Gen Zs.
Jesus, I beg you, go give me a account. I beg, make a follow and talk. See, if possible, I would need her to talk to women, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Because that time, even my Akpata was even telling me, he say even when you go there, Mr. Akpata go bring woman come. So no problem. He say one day, say they will break the bed. Be life when they break the bed, they come out. Now she go call capital, make the call fix the bed. I say, what did you cope? He say, what you did this life? She was asking me. I say, I did ask you. He said, no. He said, now look at her now. Then when we talk, he said I think it was last year, he said she was 77. This is what is in this life. He said, no, Mr. Akpata is dead 30 years back. Ago. And it was even inside that room they killed the husband. And she was even the one carrying the second wife, a 3-month-old baby. Calm down.
But I know say this kind you did like this type of relationship.
Now say I go even. I say so
Cause the guy
shoo
that guy confident die.
God.
And so I just they calm. Like, you know when a man is in charge of his
Hey God.
of his
Not the
own.
gra. Hey God.
You see, I'm a
my
very
guy.
fair and just person.
My guy.
I see he's irritable.
Where you for sit there? I want principle. Oh God, I don't get new
The
family.
first wife say she know they jealous. So
Yeah.
even the husband confirm and say 2 of them they very sick.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.